Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my body / self-care routine. I've really been needing this, so I'm excited to show you guys my process, my ritual. So let's just get right into it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, and follow your girl on Instagram. And let's get right into it. So to start, I want to show you guys a couple of new products that I'm adding to my self-care routine. I feel like adding new products really just keeps it fresh, keeps it interesting, and it makes you feel like you're having a whole new experience each time. Even if you're only adding one new thing, I feel like it makes a world of a difference to me. So I picked these items up from Nordstrom. They are all part of their clean beauty. I've been really wanting to try all of these lately, so I'm glad that I got to pick them up. And on this side, treating yourself is 100% part of self-care. So let's get into what I got. I picked up this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is for my hair. I do not have a hair mask, so I thought I would pick this one up. As you can see, it's formulated with no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, and that's really what you can expect when shopping clean beauty through Nordstrom. And honestly, just things that we should be paying attention to when putting products in or on our body. Next, we have the Necessaire Deodorant Gel, which I really wanted to switch my deodorants for a while now, and I've heard great things about this one via the reviews on Nordstrom, so they were super helpful. And I felt like this one was the best one for me. I also know a few people that have tried this and they said that they like it. So if you tried it, let me know down below how you like it. I absolutely love a good mask, so I had to add a new mask to the rotation for sure. I'm always looking for really good masks to add to my routine because I just like to switch them up. This is the You to the People Super Clay Purify and Clear Power Mask. It's really good. I dug in as soon as I got it. I couldn't wait. So I've tried this once and I love it. So I'm definitely going to try it again. And lastly is a Necessaire hand cream, which I've been loving to add little luxuries into my life. I'll explain that a little later in the video, but I didn't even need this, y'all. I wanted it. I felt like this is such a little luxury to me, like a nice hand cream just to keep in your purse. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's also fragrance free. I am just really excited for this hand cream. I feel like I need to take better care of my hands for sure. I always focus on body moisture, but I feel like I never really focus on my cuticles and my hands. A lot of my beauty products are actually from Nordstrom, so make sure you guys are checking Nordstrom out for all your beauty needs, especially when shopping clean. So let's put these products to use and treat ourselves. So first things first for me is hopping in the shower, cleansing my body, cleaning my hair, just really taking the extra time to scrub my body, really exfoliate, just kind of like a little spa-like treatment in the shower. So I'm just hopping in the shower and I'm gonna start with washing my hair. I definitely needed to wash my hair for sure. Now this new mask from Briogeo, you guys, this is amazing. This is my first time using it and my hair loved it. It smelled amazing. My hair detangled so easy with it. My hair felt extremely smooth, silky, hydrated. I love this mask, okay? So y'all definitely try it out. Check out the link down below so you guys can check it out and use it and let me know what you think. Also took a little extra time to give myself like a scalp massage, really brush my hair through and also graze my scalp with the brush, just really trying to get my scalp invigorated, clean, all that good stuff. And then I just go ahead and pin it up as well and then continue with my body care. So I'm going to start with the exfoliator only because I really sometimes don't like the residue that exfoliator leaves on me. I like to exfoliate and then wash off the residue. Some people do it the other way. I just kind of like to do it this way because I don't know, it's just how I am. So I'm going to exfoliate and really start to loosen up, you know, any residual lotion that I had on, any residual deodorant that I had on. I like to exfoliate my armpits as well and just really like, you know, give my body like a pre-cleanse before I go in with the actual cleanser. So I'm using the Necessaire body wash and the exfoliator. These are also available at Nordstrom too. I've been using these for a while and I love them. So now that the shower's all done, I'm gonna go into body moisture. So I'm also gonna use the Necessaire body lotion, also available at Nordstrom. I got you, I'll link it down below. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lotion on. So I saw this hack that if you put your lotion on before you fully dry your body off, it's like, I guess it absorbs better. I don't know. I tried it. I felt like I didn't really get what I needed. So I'll show you guys the other body products that I use too. But right now I'm just trying to moisturize my hair, just throwing some, I think this is like a curl cream. I'll give you guys my hair routine and stuff at a later date, but I just really wanted to put like extra moisture in my hair, pin it up and let it sit throughout the night. And now onto my favorite part of my body care routine, this body oil. I absolutely love it. It smells amazing. The hydration is insane. I just love the glow that it gives. It feels so nourishing on my skin. I absolutely love this body oil. If you tried it, let me know what you think down below. If you haven't, definitely go grab it for sure. I just love everything about it, y'all. I can't get enough. This is my second bottle, I think. I actually like to do my body care routine and kind of like my self-care routine towards the end of the night. And I just love watching the sunset. It was so pretty today. But I just like doing it at night because it really relaxes me. It helps me get better rest at night because lately I have not been sleeping all that well. So I wanted to do something for myself that was super relaxing that would actually lead me into getting some pretty good rest that night. Also, my robe is from H&M. So moving on to the deodorant, the Necessaire deodorant gel. I've been trying this out for about 2 weeks now. You guys, this is a really good one. I was kind of scared to switch because I was so used to my other deodorant, but this one is really, really good. It didn't take my body long to adjust, and I feel like it really does keep me nice and odor free throughout the entire day without having to reapply. So I love that. So now let's move on to skincare. This is where I really kind of dive in and really treat myself. I take really extra long on my skincare when I'm really trying to pamper myself. So I'll exfoliate a little bit longer, you know, really massage my face, really cleanse it, really push in those serums and stuff. Just really give myself a kind of spa, like kind of like I'm getting a facial. So these products here are just a couple of the products that I really have been loving lately. So let's get into it. I'm going to use this Super Clay Purify and Clear Power Mask that I just got. Like I said, I've used it once and I absolutely loved it. So I could not wait to try it again. And I just love really having like the perfect mask application. So remember when I said I want to add little luxuries to my life? I feel like, oh, I forgot that I wanted to put the eye mask on, so I had to wipe some of the mask off. But just buying like little cute brushes to apply your mask with, you know, putting your water in a wine glass with lemon, like those things really just kind of amp up the experience. So yeah, that was one of my little luxuries. I bought a little brush to put my mask on to just make it super perfect. So yeah, put the eye mask on. These are the Elemis Pro Collagen eye masks. They are absolutely amazing. I love them. I will repurchase these when I run out, and I'm almost gone, so I need to make a plan to get some more. Okay, singing in the mirror. And I'm just gonna let that sit while I go ahead and make me a cute glass of water. So I just wanted some water with lemon, so I'm just cutting up some lemon, and I wanted to put it in a wine glass because I just felt like that was just the best thing to do. You know, I feel like it even tastes better. So put my water in a wine glass. I've been doing this just to feel a little more luxurious throughout the day. You know, I just feel like it's something cute to do for yourself. So went ahead, got me a glass of water and hydrated. now that that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the mask off and go in with one of my favorite toners that I've been using. This is the Arian Clean Skincare. This is their AHA tonic. I love this. It's been making my skin feel extremely smooth, very, very glowy after I use it. It doesn't make my skin feel dry or anything. It's just really, really a good toner for me. If you want to try it out, definitely do it because I'm obsessed. So next I'm gonna go in with a serum. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow. I love this one. It feels really, really great on my skin. It absorbs well. And this is the time that I take to really start to massage my skin. Look at me checking myself out. Look at the glow, okay? So I'm going in with my Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This moisturizer right here is gold in a pot. I love it. My skin loves it. Marine creams, like, well, not marine creams, but water creams. My skin absolutely loves water creams. So I knew I would love this, but I didn't know how much I would love it. And I absolutely adore this moisturizer for sure. So yeah, like I said, taking extra time, massage it in, really just love on yourself, y'all, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and apply some hand cream and make sure that these hands are moisturized. I used to kind of skip this step, but I feel like skipping it, I need to not do that, okay? We need to really take care of every single part of our body. So I'm massaging it into my cuticles. Look at my nails, okay? But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and have a pretty relaxing night, light some candles, hopping on my computer to get some inspo. I did hop on Pinterest and just see what I could find is like inspo. I also go on there when I'm kind of feeling a little unmotivated, and I just go on there and just see all the beautiful content that people have created, and I feel like it really puts a battery in my back to go ahead and do the same, like get up and start creating. So Pinterest is something that I love. I always get on Pinterest and just scroll for hours and hours and hours. I actually came across this kind of like, I guess, rule, or I don't know, like a guide on self-care. So I really love this one. I just want to post it on the screen so y'all can see it bigger. But yeah, like I said, Pinterest has it all. I love it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring this video. I love y'all. Make sure you guys are taking care of yourself, taking care of your bodies, getting your rest, getting your sleep, really loving on yourself. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.